Ever wondered how Forex trading works? Well, you're not alone. Every day, millions around the globe engage in this form of trading. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the marketplace for buying and selling currencies. Imagine it as a bustling, vibrant bazaar where traders from all corners of the world come together, but instead of spices and textiles, the goods are currencies like the dollar, euro, yen, and many others. What sets Forex apart is its global reach and its round-the-clock operation. Unlike traditional stock exchanges that have specific trading hours, the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This constant activity makes Forex an exciting and dynamic world to be a part of. In this video, we'll break down the basics of Forex trading in a simple step-by-step manner. From understanding the Forex market to making profit and getting started, we've got you covered. Ready to dive into the world of Forex trading? Buckle up and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is the Forex market? Well, let's break it down. Forex, a word formed from the combination of foreign and exchange, is the global marketplace where national currencies are traded against one another. Imagine it as a colossal, bustling bazaar that never sleeps, operating 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, where traders from all corners of the globe participate. The goods exchanged here are not your usual commodities, but currencies. Dollars, euros, yen, you name it. So, how does Forex trading work? It's quite straightforward. The basic mechanism involves buying one currency while simultaneously selling another. This is typically done in pairs, like euro against US dollar, or British pound against Japanese yen. Forex trading is about speculation. Traders anticipate whether a currency's value will rise or fall against another, and trade accordingly to make profits. Now that you know what Forex is, you might be wondering, how does one make a profit? How does one make a profit in the Forex market? Now that's the question everyone wants the answer to. The key to making a profit in Forex trading lies in the constant fluctuations in the exchange rates between two currencies. Think of it this way, it's like a seesaw. The value of one currency rises while the other falls. Your goal is to predict these movements and act accordingly. Now you've probably heard the phrase, buy low and sell high. This is the fundamental strategy that many traders use to make a profit. In the context of Forex, it means buying a currency when its value is low and then selling it when its value increases. But remember, Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, practice, and a good understanding of market trends. So, you've got the basics down, but what about actually getting started? So, how does one get started with Forex trading? You might be wondering. Well, the first step is to open a Forex trading account with a trusted broker. A broker is essentially your gateway to the Forex market. They provide the trading platform where you can execute your trades. Now let's talk about leverage and margin. In Forex trading, leverage allows you to control a larger amount of money with a small initial deposit, known as a margin. While this can amplify your profits, it can also magnify your losses, so it's crucial to understand these concepts thoroughly. Another key aspect of Forex trading is risk management. Always be aware of the potential risks in each trade and never risk more than a small percentage of your trading account on a single trade. Finally, having a trading plan is essential. This includes your financial goals, risk tolerance, and specific criteria for entering and exiting trades. With these basics, you are now ready to start your Forex trading journey. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed. We've embarked on an enlightening journey into the world of Forex trading, a dynamic global marketplace where currencies are bought and sold. We've learned that understanding the Forex market is paramount to navigating its waves successfully. We've delved into the heart of the market, revealing the factors that influence currency values, such as economic indicators and geopolitical events. We then moved on to unraveling the mystery of making profits in Forex. We learned that it's all about buying low and selling high and how leverages can amplify our profits. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Finally, we've shared some valuable tips on how to get started with Forex trading. We've emphasized the importance of education, choosing the right broker, and practicing with a demo account before diving into live trading. With these basics, you're well on your way to becoming a successful Forex trader. Happy trading. Happy